And welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. The West Indies will be aiming to level their three-match one-day international series against Sri Lanka when Game 2 bowls off on Saturday at Sabina Park. Garfield Jones has our preview.
After a disappointing 41-run loss in the opening game on Wednesday, the home team will be hungry for a positive result on Saturday. After winning the toss and electing to field, the West Indian bowlers were not penetrative enough throughout the Sri Lankan innings. Head coach Sammy says with the preparation heading into the series, he was disappointed with the execution on the day. However, he identified where he thinks the team went wrong.
And I thought we controlled the power play. In fact, we won both power plays, but somewhere in the middle, the next block of 20 overs, we kind of lost that way with the ball and in the bat. But with that said, looking forward to tomorrow. Presents another opportunity for us to first level the series and take it from there. But we'll have to play the spinners much better and control the middle with the ball and pick up wickets as well much better.
The West Indies have not won a series against the Sri Lankans since the 2020-2021 tour. They now find themselves in a must-win situation on Saturday to stand a chance of winning the series. When asked if he was worried about having to win back-to-back games to win the series, Sammy said,
No, I mean, we've won the last 4 home series at home. We've been in that position before. Ideally, it's not a position you want to be at home. But like I told the guys and we discussed, is there's no panic. We're still right there in the series. We just got to handle business tomorrow by doing, some of the things that we've identified well and longer over a longer period of time. But I have all confidence in the guys. Like I said, I love the way they've prepared from Antigua coming to here. The mindset is all positive. So hopefully we could transfer that into performances against the Sri Lankans.